There is some incised cross hatching along the border of the rails, front and back rails and the side. This is the side rail. And you can see just a little bit where I've done the carving. And here is the template, just paper printout from SketchUp of the shape of that thing. And what I am doing here is the first thing I did is take a knife and just knife out these shapes here, and that helps with the carving part. The tool, I think, is straightened out with a little cut line here. Also, sometimes that paper comes loose, and if the paper comes loose, then I've got a knife cut to show on the wood. Now, I've already done this part, and I've scraped off the paper template. And what I do next, by the way, I'm just using this glue stick to glue that paper. And I'm using a little, it says a number 2. I don't know how I got this, where I got it. I do a lot of carving my name on pieces using this tool. I've also got a V tool here, which is a small V tool. And I've sharpened both these tools. But it seems to me that this tool works a little bit easier than the other one. So I just get in here like this. I just make one cut. There's also a cut, horizontal cut that I've already made here, a little groove, 1/16 off the edge, and then there's another groove up here at on the top edge. So you can see those grooves on the leg here. So what I do is cut in one direction, and then I will move around and shift the position, but in this case I don't want to move the piece. I'll just try to lean over and cut these. I'm spending quite a bit of time sharpening these tools on stones and then on leather as well. And that's helping. Okay, now let me just get one more this way. And then to get that paper off there, I just lightly scrape well, I think you get the idea here, how this little tedious work, but I think it's working okay, and I will probably sharpen this again. And that should even help it.